Well, happy Thursday, everyone. Thanks for joining us here on Valley News Live at 4 o'clock. You can see the clouds out there in our Devil's Lake home of economy Skycam. Those clouds are increasing from northwest to southeast, just as we expected, along with a Clipper system. And this Clipper system is why we raised a first alert weather day for today and tomorrow, because we're expecting some impactful weather from this, not so much in the way of snow accumulation, but because of the wind that will be coming along with it. So here's basically a summation of what we're expecting this evening in through our Friday morning. So tonight, strong west-southwest winds, and that will continue up until the passage of this cold front. But when that front passes, it brings a chance of some light snow and light fluffy snow at that. And so with those snow showers and that strong wind and the wind shifting to the northwest, there will be some travel impacts as that light fluffy snow gets picked up by that wind and blown across those roadways, piling up into drifts. So we're expecting the whole buffet of wintry weather when it comes to the strong wind and that light snow. So it could be some travel troubles for us tonight into our Friday morning commute, and wind gusts could be upwards of 40 or more miles per hour here overnight. Already today seen some wind gusts near 40 in Langdon and in Rolla, but even everybody else across Lakes Country, wind gusts near 30 miles per hour, 35 miles per hour, that recent gust today in Fargo. So here's a look at current winds. We're seeing it still out of the south for most of us, around 20 to 30 miles per hour. I'm starting to see that wind shifting to the northwest in Minot, seeing a west wind, a northwest wind in Dickinson. So as that front comes through, that north wind picks up, and it will be gusty when that north wind really does take hold as we go through the rest of this Thursday evening. Big picture shows those clouds mainly in the Devil's Lake Basin, but they're starting to spread across into Grand Forks down through Jamestown as well. And you were seeing a few flakes of light blue at this point. So that's really what we expected, was just some light snowfall with this, a few flakes and flurries. But where we see some of this light snowfall here in the Devil's Lake area down through New Rockford, Maddock, Rugby, that light snow is going to get picked up by that wind and tossed through the atmosphere. You can already see some of that reduced visibility there in Candu, 3-mile visibility there, 3/4 mile visibility in Rolla. And it's from the south wind, seeing some blowing snow in Thief River Falls and Roseau, causing some reduced visibilities there. So this is just the kind of chips and salsa to the main entree we're expecting here later on tonight when it comes to that blowing snow, because we're going to get some more snow and some stronger winds later overnight tonight into tomorrow morning. Temperatures now, we're in the teens and 20s for most everybody, 30 in Aberdeen, the warm spot, 21 out the door this evening in Fargo, 19 in Grand Forks, but that northwest wind will do a number on our temperatures. Look at this. So this is around, say, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock or so. We see that cold front making its way through, bringing that light snowfall to us. And look at how that wind shifts. It's almost like a light switch going from south to northwest. And we can see it will be gusting up over 40 miles per hour at times out of the northwest. Near zero up in the Devil's Lake Basin as that cold air rushes in. Teens for the rest of us with that blustery northwest wind. Wind chills will be dangerous as we go through the overnight. I stopped this around 4 a.m. or so. We see those wind chills down sub 30 below, so colder than 30 below. Most of that snowfall, though, the new snow exits off toward the east. So for that morning commute, there's not looking to be any new snowfall, but with winds gusting over 40 miles per hour, blowing and drifting snowfall, a big concern for us as we head toward that Friday morning commute. And of course, the wind chills will be just ridiculous also, near 40 below in some of the cold spots. And it's going to be blustery all day long. Lunchtime, still a strong northwest wind either side of zero at lunchtime. And highs tomorrow only maybe making it into the single digits above zero in the warm spots with a blustery northwest wind. So we could even see some lingering blowing and drifting snowfall even toward that evening commute. But after dinner time, I do expect that wind to really drop off the table. But the cold air will still be here as we go into our Saturday morning. So here's how things look in Fargo tomorrow, starting off near zero, making it into the single digits above. But notice the northwest wind still around 20 miles per hour and could be gusting upwards of 30 to 35 miles per hour up until dinner time. And then things do get a bit more quiet, but we stay cold into Saturday morning. You see Saturday morning's low temperature 13 below zero. So really, if you do have to travel tonight or tomorrow, be careful, watch out for changing road conditions and watch out for low visibilities where that fresh snow gets lofted by the wind. And of course, we see 40s still, Stacy, Tuesday, Wednesday, 30, Thursday of next week, and of course St. Patrick's Day there on Thursday. Things look good.
Yeah, we added a St. Patrick's Day.
Yeah, put exciting. The green on there, got the pot of gold.
Yes.
It's coming.
All right, we'll get there.